This is Eleftheria Barbagianni from Eleftheria Business PR. Welcome back to my channel, and I hope you have a great day and you started this year fresh and positive, and focus on what motivates you and do things what makes you happy. That's what I will advise. Today we'll give you a couple of Twitter engagement strategy tips for you to start growing your account the next couple of months and get organic traffic from Twitter, and of course engagement that will grow your brand. It will help you with brand awareness. First of all, what you need to do is you need to understand what motivates your audience to engage with you, and then you can adjust your Twitter strategy. So remember, we'll talk about a couple of things that you can do, like polls, giveaways, and other tips in the previous videos that you can increase your engagement, increase your traffic, and build your following. So those are a couple of tips, but doing those is going to help you understand what motivates your audience, and this is your foundation, your first step. Then what you can do as a first strategy is to check out accounts from competitors or bloggers, for example, or other influencers or people in your niche, not necessarily competitors, and check out what those accounts are doing and the growing the following and the growing the organic traffic, because it's very, very important for you to learn from those accounts, to learn what they're posting, what they put videos on, what are they doing better than you. So you will learn a lot from them, and then you can grow. You can take a lot of ideas, but seeing people growing their account on Twitter, make sure you get some ideas from other businesses and other if you're a blogger, from other bloggers. If you're, for example, selling some products like hairstyle products or shampoos, make sure you're interacting with accounts that are selling relevant products, and then you can learn. That is the first engagement strategy for you. Then what you can do, this is really, really important, is hashtags and keyword search. You can go to advanced search, and I just put blogging tips, and as you can see here, the exact phrase, other phrases, hashtag, language, whatever, accounts. As you can see, the whole thing here. You can put the dates also, and then search is really going to help you, because that will give you an idea of what is trending on Twitter, what is really hot, and what is really, is helping you to, like, from keywords, what is trending high on Twitter is really, really good tool. And then you can go to explore, for instance, and check out news, trending, for instance. Here, this is another thing you can do, but make sure you use the advanced search. Is really, really important, and it's very good tool, to be honest. We have it there, it's for free, and you can do it. That will give you an idea of what is trending here on exploring, also keywords, and how you can take also a couple of ideas from competitors, big competitors, on learning using hashtags and keywords. Remember that. And this is also a great strategy for brand awareness again, and organic traffic, guys. That's really, really good for organic traffic, because you are engaging, you're attracting more engagement from other followers, from not only from your followers, I mean from other people on Twitter, and then you building on that, and that is why you really need to use that. Number 4, you can create a poll. As you can see here, you can create a poll, and also people on Twitter and in general, they like to answer questions. So you can ask a question here, put a couple of choices, and then put it out there. And it's really going to help you. Twitter algorithm loves that. And you really need to actually use polls for this year for your strategy. It's going to help you get a lot of engagement, and it's going to help you get more organic traffic. Don't forget that polls are really good also for brand awareness. And as I say, people love to answer questions. Another thing you can do is giveaways. Big brands usually do giveaways, and or doing the poll and then offer something for free, like a freebie or something. You can create and think of many things you can do to increase your community and get organic traffic to it. It is very easy, and those are tips that are working for others, and they will work for you. Don't forget to like this video, guys, subscribe to my channel, and connect with me on the social media. Leave your comments below, and have a great day.